I do not have any obstacle avoidance. Let's see if I do when I take off.
Take off.
Well, we got obstacle avoidance and good takeoff. So, bring her towards me. Okay, ladies, this is me. You're always wanting to know what I look like, so this is me. Yeah, we're going to take a flight around today. Had a little snow, although it's all melting, but going to take a run around and see what's going on down at Peters Lake. Okay. Around 197 feet, and go the other way, Roy. Yeah, out there towards Peters Lake again. I know I always go that way, but I like to go out that way. Out we go, and we got good RC, 30 satellites, doing 22.7 mile per hour in normal mode. Just want to see if Peters Lake got any moisture from this snow. Okay, let's go back to 0. Brighten that up just a hair. And we are getting out towards Peters Lake. Little sideways movement there. It snowed. It got a little bit of moisture, looks like. Let's go down on the camera angle. Yep. There's Peters Lake, which is a little different from the last time I flew out here. You can see the snow on the ground. I haven't heard any sandhill cranes, so I guess there probably won't be any out there. Got an airplane in the air I can hear flying. Yeah, there's none there, so we'll do. Let's take her over towards the mountains now. There's El Capitan. Get her out towards Capitan. That's at 1X. There's that 2X. A little bit of snow on Capitan also. And you can, over to the left-hand side, you can see Sierra Blanca. Taller mountain, but it doesn't look as tall. El Capitan is 10,118 feet. And Sierra Blanca is over 12,000. And we're getting no warnings out here. 69%. 29 satellites still. Okay, she looks good. Bring her back to 1. You can see what's left of the snow. Let's go away from Capitan a little bit. Sideways movement. In fact, let's turn her away. Head her a little bit north. %. Still got 29 satellites. Good RC. Lots of snow out there. Well, I'm getting no warnings out here. On this track, I will soon, I'm sure. Yeah, I think that's far enough.
Go home.
Okay, we're gonna come home. Yeah, it's starting to get a little bit of wind. %56 battery right now. Got plenty to get home. And maybe take another little flight with what's left over. Yeah, bouncing between 29 and 30 satellites, which is good. And a little bit of 2x on the way home. Yeah, turn it. Unfortunately, this is not my Mini 2, which I can turn as I fly on the way back. 50%. I think we'll just take one flight today, even though it is so nice. A nice day compared to yesterday when it was cold and snowy. up to 23.5. Got no notices for a upgrade on this thing. I thought there was a new firmware out, but evidently this one doesn't see it. .30 satellites and coming back at 23.5 mile an hour. Yeah, the remnants of quite a bit of snow. Probably maybe a half-inch total. Not a lot to some, but for the desert southwest, it's a lot of snow. Here we come. 196 feet above. Yeah, it's time to get out because that wind is starting to kick. Here, I can hear the drone again.
Landing.
Right up above. Coming down. Okay, bring her down. And over towards me. Hello, little bird. Get down here. It don't like me close. It don't like me close. All the way down, and it's angry. So that would be the flight right there.